all, proceeding to the next question. Question number 5 है, draw the cycloid है x is equal to a theta minus sin theta and y is equal to a theta 1 minus cos theta. Rectify the curve. अच्छा, everyone, of course here when they say rectify the curve, they are asking you to find the length of the curve in one cycle from cusp to cusp. Hopefully all remember the cycloid. वो चार cycloids थे. X is equal to a theta plus sin theta, y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. Theta and sin theta 1 and cos theta. उसके बीच में sin is what changes. प्लस प्लस एक होगा, प्लस माइनस, माइनस प्लस एंड माइनस माइनस. ये चारों वो एक शीट में तुम लोग को मैंने ड्रॉ करके दिया था अलॉन्ग विद अदर स्टैंडर्ड कर्व्स के. उसमें वो एस्ट्रॉइड वगैरह भी था. ओके, इट इज वन ऑफ देम दैट इज यू आर गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ओके, 5 में x इज a थीटा माइनस sin थीटा है and y is a 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. I understand all the curve itself is going to be something like this. देखो, the cycle gets over this way. Okay, I understand everyone. Y-axis, x-axis. This is theta equal to 0 1, and this is theta equal to 2 pi. Okay, बीच में absolute center में theta equal to pi. Okay, if you put theta equal to 0, I think you should get 0 comma 0. देखो जरा, theta equal to 0, 0 minus 0 only. So x is 0, 1 minus 1, y is also 0, it is the origin. Alright, this is 0 comma 0. When theta is pi, put theta as pi here, sin pi is 0, I think it should be x coordinate must be a pi, comma, y coordinate is the maximum height which it can attain, because cos theta has become minus 1, that's 2a. So इधर से इधर तक आते आते हाइट कंटिन्यूअसली इंक्रीज हो रहा है, लेकिन थीटा पाई के बाद अब थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होते जाएगा. एट 2 पाई इट विल बिकम बैक टू 0. जरा चेक करो. दिस इज, कैन आई से x कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी a into 2 pi. This is 0. So 2a pi, comma cos 2 pi is 1, so 0. I think those are the rules. Now you all are asked to find what? Draw this curve and rectify. Rectify मतलब आपको ये ढूंढना है भाई, ये ढूंढना है, टोटल ढूंढना है, टोटल ढूंढना है. So what we do into 2 करेंगे. I am going to do it from 0 to pi only, and these are parametric equations only. That means formula again will be this one. I have to talk about this one. So can I say limits are already there, 0 to pi. X is there, y is there, dx by d theta, dy by d theta, and proceed. So dx by d theta is a into 1 minus cos theta. dy by d theta is a into sin theta. Alright, so therefore dx by d theta whole square and dy by d theta whole square is what? Is going to be a square 1 minus cos square theta, sorry, 1 minus cos theta whole square plus a square sin square theta. A square common, and you get what? 1 minus 2 cos theta. Okay, plus cos square plus sin square is another one. 2a square, 2 common, a square, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin squared theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2 under root of dx by d theta whole square plus dy by d theta whole square is पूरा स्क्वायर ही है ये, आई थिंक 2a sin theta by 2a sin theta by 2. Perfect. I think it's great. Okay, and required arc length will be this, which is double integral theta equal to 0 to pi of 2a sin theta by 2 the whole thing, which is 4a cos theta by 2 upon half going from pi to 0 पक्का. ओके, माइनस साइन था इधर, उसको मैंने उड़ा दिया बाय एक्सचेंजिंग द लिमिट. दिस शुड गिव मी 8a and cos 0 is 1 and perfect. 8a is the answer. So another good thing that you all can remember, all of you, कोई भी साइक्लॉइड लेगा, ये कस्ट टू कस्ट उसका लेंथ विल बी 8a only, whichever one doesn't matter, कोई भी होगा 8a लेके आओ. Okay, I think that's question number 5. We have rectified the length of the cycloid. Okay, next one. So now next few sums are on polar form. Chalo, question number 6a, find the perimeter of, and I hope all of you all realize what that is. Perimeter of, what is that? I think it is equation of a cardioid. Okay, अच्छा, मैं ये रब कर रहा हूँ. I hope all of you all have taken time off to note it down. Okay, sure. So let's move on to a cardioid. A into 1 plus cos theta and A into 1 minus cos theta are both cardioids only. Okay, so 6a, let's write down 6a, find the perimeter of the cardioid. Okay, so perimeter of the cardioid, let's do that. R is A into 1 minus cos theta. So theta equal to 0 पे it is 0. So I understand the cardioid will be like this. ये होगा आपका कार्डियोइड. ओके, ये आपका कार्डियोइड हो गया. R is equal to A into 1 minus cos theta. अच्छा, they are asking me to find the total perimeter. मतलब shall I say ये perimeter ढूंढेंगे हम लोग, ये वाला ढूंढ लेंगे and ये ढूंढ के we will double it, so into 2 इधर भी आएगा. ओके, चलो ठीक है. Can I say all of you all, in one way you all have to now understand what I am saying. This is the equation of the cardioid, and can I say dr by d theta is a sin theta. अपने को अब मालूम है ना कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. अपने को अब फॉर्मूला यूज करना है इंटीग्रल थीटा 1 to थीटा 2 होल अपॉन रूट ऑफ r स्क्वायर प्लस dr by d theta होल स्क्वायर द होल d theta. r स्क्वायर प्लस dr by d theta स्क्वायर द होल d theta. करेक्ट, अपने को ये यूज करना है. तो r स्क्वायर चाहिए, dr by d theta चाहिए. Can I say therefore r square plus dr by d theta square is this only what we found out just now. and root of r square plus dr by d theta the whole square, definitely again is 2a sin theta by 2. Required arc length, that's the formula, which is again twice theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi, and therefore the solution is again 8 pi. Solution is again 8 pi. Yes. Length of the cardioid, r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta हो या minus cos theta हो. Length of the cardioid is 8a only. Perimeter of the cardioid is 8a only. ठीक है? नोट कर लो आप प्लीज. Okay, the B part of this problem talks about r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, that's there, and r is equal to a cos theta. R is equal to a cos theta. The length of the cardioid lying outside of r is equal to a cos theta. अच्छा, r is equal to a cos theta आप लोगों को याद है कि नहीं? r is equal to a cos theta क्या होता है? r is equal to a cos theta मतलब ये सर्कल है. Essentially इतना बड़ा नहीं बनेगा ये, because the radius will be a by 2. Sorry, I thought it was a and hence drew it this way. Proportionately, all of you all, I believe the circle will be something like this. Only till about here. When theta is 0, r is a ना? हाँ, a. So ये होना चाहिए आपका सर्कल. ये सर्कल. So this time all of you all, the required arc length is lying outside the circle है ना? Lying outside the circle है. So lying outside the circle मतलब अपने को मालूम करना है कि किधर से पाई तक लेना है और उसका डबल करना है. Please understand, into 2 अभी भी रहेगा, हाँ? into 2 अभी भी रहेगा, क्योंकि आपका जितना ऊपर रहेगा उतना ही नीचे भी रहेगा. ओके, सो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले उसके लिए सॉल्व साइमल्टेनियस. दोनों r है, दोनों का r इक्वेट कर दो. 1 minus cos theta. So a gone and I believe 2 cos theta is 1. So cos theta will be half. Theta will be pi by 3 and minus pi by 3. थीटा विल बी पाई बाई 3 एंड माइनस, मतलब ये पॉइंट जो है दिस इज थीटा इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3 एंड वी आर स्टिल रिक्वायर्ड टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द कार्डियोइड पार्ट, नॉट सर्कल पार्ट. मतलब मेरा कैलकुलेशन एंड डेरिवेटिव एंड ऑल दैट विल बी विद कार्डियोइड इक्वेशंस ओनली. अब कार्डियोइड इक्वेशन वही है, सो dr by d थीटा वही है, सो ये कैलकुलेशन वही होगा, अंडर रूट b यही होगा. And we are now saying required arc length is this, that's the formula, which means now what's the only change I need to make? I need to make it pi by 3 to pi and उसका डबल होना चाहिए. pi by 3 to pi and उसका डबल होना चाहिए, तो ये होगा pi by 3. अच्छा, इसकी वजह से क्या आएगा? It will be 8a into cos of pi by 6 root 3 by 2 रे, which means your answer must be 4a root 3. 4a root 3 must be the final answer there. Okay, everyone. पूरा पूरा सॉल्यूशन लिखो, हाँ, डोंट से इट इज ऑलरेडी डन देयर, राइट इट डाउन, डजंट मैटर, ओके, राइट इट डाउन। द सी पार्ट, चलो लेट्स डू द सी पार्ट राइट अवे। सी पार्ट में लेंथ ऑफ द कर्व आर ओ, दिस इज द अदर कार्डियोइड, अपने को रीड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, which lies, length of the curve which lies on the side of whatever that is, remote from the pole, अच्छा, remote, pole of the cardioid is this, not the origin of the curve. Remote from the pole means far away from the pole. Let's actually first analyze 6C, chalo 6C, and the two equations given to us are, चलो पहले तो वो एनालाइज करते हैं हम। The two equations given to us are this one and what's the other one? It is 4R is equal to 3A sec theta. I can write 3 upon cos theta na. This is what is given. Can I say this is 4R cos theta is 3A? Arre, this is easy. So this means 4x is 3A. That means x is 3A by 4. Arre. Oh. That means the vertical line. Oh, it's just a vertical line. Okay. I believe all of y'all आप लोग ये फिगर ड्रॉ कर लो। फिगर ड्रॉ करो तो ऐसे होगा, ये आपका कार्डियोइड आएगा ऐसे, ये आपका कार्डियोइड होगा something like this, all of y'all, okay, something like this, and this is 2A, whereas x is 3A by 4, मतलब इसका आधा है। What they are asking you to find is, they are asking you to find this S. Length of the cardioid remote from the pole, remote from the pole, away from the pole, far away from the pole. So not this part, that part. On the side of the line which is remote from the pole, on that side of the line. So this is the part. अच्छा, which means इधर से लेके हम लोग इधर तक ढूंढेंगे and into 2 करेंगे। अच्छा, अब ये तो है theta equal to 0 all over. This point here for the cardioid is theta equal to 0. When theta is 0, r is 2a maximum distance, and then वो distance कम होते रहता है। But to find this point, all of y'all, I think we'll have to solve these two simultaneously. So solving simultaneously, r is a into 1 plus cos theta is equal to, what is r here? It is 3a by 4 cos theta. मतलब a तो अपना गया 4 cos theta plus 4 cos square theta is 3. 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 12, हाँ, plus 6 minus 2. So I believe 2 cos theta minus 1 and 2 cos theta plus 3 equal to 0. ऐसे होना चाहिए, minus 2 plus 6, correct. So cos theta is half once again, and theta therefore is pi by 3 and minus pi by 3, all pi by 3 and minus pi by 3 पक्का. So I believe इधर तक theta equal to pi by 3 ही होगा। 0 to pi by 3 करके डबल करेंगे, ये minus pi by 3 which we are not bothered about, that's fine. अच्छा, अब वापस अपना कैलकुलेशन जो है वो तो कार्डियोइड के बेसिस पे करना है। सो r is a into 1 plus cos theta, dr by d theta is a into minus sin. r square plus dr by d theta होल स्क्वायर, आई थिंक ये प्लस होगा एंड ये माइनस गायब हो गया, which means plus, which means cos square, which means इधर आ गया तो ये बना 2a cos theta by 2a cos theta by पक्का, done, clear, okay, and therefore यहां पर भी arc length हो गया, I believe this will be theta equal to double होना चाहिए 0 to pi by 3 होना चाहिए 2a cos theta by 2 होना चाहिए, okay, 2a cos theta by 2 होना चाहिए, so this should finally be 4a sin theta by 2 upon half going from theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi by 3, which means 8a and sin pi by 6 half हो गया and ये 0, so 4a is the final. I think all the C part it is, yes, it is 4a, okay, perfect, no problems at all. Why don't all of you all quickly note this down? Okay, so sums on the basis of cardioid are all done. Sums on the basis of cardioid are all done. ठीक है? अब next few sums are all solved examples all of you all, but मुझे वैसे छोड़ना नहीं है आपके ऊपर. I want to get these done. Okay, I want to get these done. Question number 7, जरा देखिए question number 7 ये हो गया. Let's quickly get this one done as well, which is pertaining to polar form. Okay, polar form. So this is the formula that we have to use again in question number 7. It is solved, but doesn't matter. I would want you all to solve it along with me. Solve it in your notebooks, please. They are asking you to find the length of the upper arc of one loop. Upper arc of one loop of the Leibniz gate. Oh, 1 minute. Now, be very clear about what is the requirement in the problem. Upper half of one loop of the Leibniz gate. Leibniz gate होता कैसे है मालूम है तुमको? ये pi by 4 वाला लाइन, ये minus pi by 4 वाला लाइन. ओके, एंड लेब्निज गेट एग्जिस्ट करता है ऐसे. वैसे इधर इंफिनिटी वाला कर्व, दे आर आस्किंग मी टू फाइंड आउट दिस लेंथ, अपर हाफ ऑफ वन लूप ऑफ द कर्व, अपर हाफ ऑफ वन लूप ऑफ द कर्व. अच्छा, do you all realize this point is obtained when you put theta equal to 0? अगर आप लोगों को लेब्निज गेट जैसे हमने बनाया था याद है, तो हमने कहा कि भाई r square, what is the Leibniz gate equation? Okay, Leibniz gate is r squared is equal to a squared into cos 2 theta. So theta equal to 0 करेंगे तो आपका मैक्सिमम आएगा. फिर जैसे आप थीटा बढ़ाओगे ये कम होता जाएगा, एंड व्हेन यू पुट थीटा pi by 4 r will become 0. So that means ये पॉइंट इधर is actually theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4 पे r is actually 0. Gone. Okay, so then it becomes easy now. This is exactly what you will have to find out. तो आप अपना लेब्निज गेट ड्रॉ करो, बर्नौलीज लेब्निज गेट याद है कि नहीं? बर्नौलीज लेब्निज गेट वो ड्रॉ करो, एंड लेट्स क्विकली फाइंड दीज आउट. r square is this, so can I say therefore 2r dr by d theta, 2r dr by d theta, or why do we get into 2r dr by na? Let's write down the square root right away. R is equal to a root cos 2 theta. So dr by d theta, straight away dr by d theta आएगा a 1 upon 2 root cos 2 theta into minus 2 sin 2 theta into minus 2 sin 2 theta. पक्का 2 आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये 2 आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So this will go away and r square plus dr by d theta whole square will turn out to be a square cos 2 theta plus, चलो इसका स्क्वायर करो, इसका स्क्वायर होगा a square sin square 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. Then you're going to get a square cos square plus a square, that अरे वाह, a square upon cos 2 theta. And therefore under root will be a upon root of cos 2 theta. Root of cos 2 theta. That's it. A upon root of cos 2 theta. So अपना जो requirement है, it will actually reduce to only this much, which we have to integrate. Okay, no double, nothing at all. No doing double and all that, because only upper half is asked. Only the upper half is asked. So upper half will be integral theta equal to 0 to pi by 4. चल integral theta equal to 0 to pi by 4 of a into cos raised to minus half of 2 theta d theta. I am going to put t is to theta. आप बताओ फटाफट क्या क्या फर्क पड़ेगा. a integral theta equal to 0, t equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 4, t equal to pi by 2. First class. Hopefully all of you are immediately assimilating why we've done this substitution. Okay, t equal to pi by 2, and you get cos raised to minus half t, cos raised to minus half t, and d theta will become dt by 2, and a deliberate sin t raised to 0. So this will be what? This will be a by 2, तो आपका बाहर ही आ गया, and sin raised to and cos raised to will be half beta. Come on, p plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and q plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So what are you going to get here? You're going to get a by 4, gamma 1 by 4, gamma half upon gamma 3 by 4, gamma 3 by 4. I think they have given us the expression that is required. We can stop over here, I believe. Okay. They have only asked me to. That means you can stop over here as well. Or everyone, can I say a by 4 and ये root pi होगा? And what we do here is gamma 1 by 4 square करेंगे upon gamma 1 by 4, gamma 3 by 4. I wonder whether all of you all still remember gamma p, gamma 1 minus p, where p is between 0 and 1 is pi upon sin p pi. Pi upon sin p pi. ये बीटा गामा में किया हुआ है आपने. Okay, this will be a root pi upon 4 gamma 1 by 4 whole square and pi upon sin pi by 4. Pi upon sin pi by 4. Do that. I think you will end up with a upon, ये root 2 actually denominator में आएगा, 4 root 2, root pi and 1 by 4 whole square. Should be fine. ठीक है? Go ahead. Please make a note of this as well.